Hi, this question from JEE Main online exam which was conducted on April 10, 2016. A greater than 0, B greater than 0, A plus B is equal to pi by 6. The minimum value of tan A plus tan B you have to calculate. Here you can apply procedure, but no need to apply procedure here. Just observe the options. All options are on the base of root 3 and root 2 almost. Right? So clearly you can write, if you know the basic values, that is tan 15 value. What is tan 15? 2 minus root 3. Clearly given A plus B is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees. If you take A is equal to 15 as well as B is equal to 15, the A plus B is equal to 30. Clearly tan A plus tan B is equal to tan 15 plus tan 15 is equal 2 minus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 is equal to what? 4 minus 2 root 3. So option is there. Just shortcut, by using the shortcut you can choose your answer, that is option number 3. The minimum value of tan A plus tan B for this particular case is nothing but 4 minus 2 root 3, right?